Want to learn how to sing, but you don't really have a whole lot of time to invest into your practicing? This complete vocal workout is not only a whole lot of fun, but it'll also save you a bunch of time. For more fun exercises like this one, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. In honor of the Super Bowl halftime show, today's song is Blinding Lights by The Weeknd. This exercise is amazing because it works on so many different things at the same time, which helps you save a whole bunch of time. All right, let's look at how the exercise goes. Lip trills are great for warming up your voice and keeping that airflow going. Till I feel your touch. Don't feel like you have to be super loud here. 80% is enough. I don't want you to fall into your throat. These heys are amazing to help you engage your core right here, so you won't forget about using breath support while you're singing. This turkey gobble, I know it's a little bit weird, but it's amazing. This tongue flapping helps you to relax your tongue. I already talked about the turkey gobble in my warm-up video. I'll link it right here if you want to learn more about it. If this gets too hard, this tongue flapping, just do lip trills instead. Make sure you're not belting here, but rather mixing. The Weeknd is almost always mixing and not belting, so make sure you're doing the same thing. We will go super high on purpose to make sure you're not belting, but rather mixing. Same thing here, same hey, hey, heys. Make sure you're really using your core. Put your hand right here to feel your core engage and use the H. All right, let's give it a try. Ready? All right, take a good breath here. Till I feel your touch. Till I feel your touch. You're the one I trust. Till I feel your touch. Engage your core here, yeah! If this gets too hard, this tongue flapping, just do the lip trill instead. You're the one I trust. Good, take a breath. Good. Till I feel your touch. Yeah, good. This helps you be right here in your mask and your sinuses. A mix here. Getting your core like a little bit tired, huh? You want to engage it as much as you can. Feel your touch. You're the one I trust. In between those hays, you should get a little bit of air every single time, so you're not running out of breath. Right here. Yes! You're the one I trust. You definitely have to be mixing here now, otherwise it's getting way too high and you will just be screaming out your throat, okay? I'd rather have you do it softly, okay, and not as powerful, instead of belting and screaming. Don't forget to open your mouth here. You're the one I trust. Yes, good job. That was amazing. How exhausted are you? Let me know in the comments below. Doing this That whole exercise for like 3 minutes straight can be quite exhausting. Okay, you should feel it right here, right? So let me know in the comments below how you're feeling right now. So a couple things to remember when you're doing this exercise. Number one, 80% is enough, okay? Don't feel like you have to be super loud, because if you're trying to be as loud as you can, you're gonna scream instead of belt or mix, okay? So 80% is enough. Number two, try to mix and not belt. The Weeknd is almost always mixing. He has a really, really strong mix, but he's not belting, okay? So try to do the same thing. This exercise is already exhausting enough, okay? So take care of your voice and mix instead of belt. Number three, use your core. You have to use your core for support. That's what's gonna make your mix sound stronger, by really supporting from down here, okay? If you like this exercise and you would like to do more exercises like this, check the description box below. I put a link there where you can download my favorite pop song exercises that I do on a daily basis to improve your singing voice. If you haven't seen my reaction to the Weeknd Super Bowl halftime show yet, make sure you check it out right here. Don't forget to like this video if you did indeed like it, and share it with your friends who you think could benefit from this exercise as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.